What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Cryptic for Fortnite Season 9. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page at the bottom edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then we'll bend that out towards the side. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Bending this up and out. Now I'm going to go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Coming in and then up. And then we'll tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the outside, we want to step in. So we curve the eye, coming down, and then bending that up towards the inside of the brow. Now from here we move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Let's start over on the left, curve this down, and then up. Now you want to step up and draw a short curve going up and then down for the bridge of the nose. From the bottom of the nose, we're going to step down, draw in the mouth. Starting on the left, bend this up, and then down. Now in the center, step down, draw a straight line going across for the lower lip. Let's move back up and add a curve above the eyes. We're going to start over on the left, curve this up, and then bend that back down on the right side. Now I'm going to round out the end of the brim, coming around, and bending that in towards the side. And we'll close off the top with a curve, going up and then back down. Let's go all the way back over towards the left side and draw a half circle for the top of the hat. And bring this up, round out the hat in the middle, go across, and then back down. Now you want to add that symbol in the center of the hat. We're going to start with a straight line going across, and then we'll draw an upside down triangle, coming down towards the bottom in the center, and come down on the right. Let's trace that triangle along the inside. Let's add a small detail along the side. Start with a straight line coming down. Now on the top, draw a short line coming down towards the side, and then we'll pull this back down towards that bottom point. Now let's go back down and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to line up the outside of the hat and bring this down and pull that in towards the chin, just underneath the mouth. Go across and then bend that back up. Let's add the ears along the side. Start from the top of the head, curve this out, and then back in. And then we'll add a small fold along the top of the ear. Now from here we're going to draw the inside edge of the hood. Let's start on the top left of the hat. It's going to bend this around the hat brim and around the ear towards the side. Let's round out the bottom and just pull this in underneath the head. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and the center and draw the outside of the hood. So I'm going to bend this around, and then come down towards the side. Now you want to taper this back in towards the bottom of the head. Now I'm going to go back and add the cheekbones. We're going to start on the left side, curve this in, and then down. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go to the right, and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's bring the vest coming in, coming down and bending that in, leaving a gap in between. Now I'm going to go back up to the top right side of the body and curve the strap, coming down and then across toward the left. Let's step up and draw that same curve. Let's add two lines and an angle along the bottom of the strap. Now you go back to the inside of the vest and draw 2 straight lines going in behind the strap up towards the head. So start with the left, going all the way up. And do the same thing on the right side. Let's trace the inside of the jacket, stepping out, bring that in behind the strap, down towards the bottom. Let's add a slight curve along the top of the collar, and then from the bottom we'll step up, curve the shirt coming down and back up. Now I'm going to add 2 lines across the vest. Let's start on the top left, go across, continue on the right. Now in behind the strap along the bottom, towards the right. Let's add a simple staircase pattern on the left side. We come down, out, and just do that 2 more times. Let's do the same thing along the bottom. From this line, come down and out. Now I'm going to go back to the center of the body, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go over toward the left, curve the leg going out, and then bend that down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down, and we'll bend that up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. I'm going to go up, I'm going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, stop right about there, and then angle this up and in. Let's take this line, step up and draw that again, going in toward the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start on the left, bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Now we'll add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet, so we'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Let's add a trim along the top of the foot, bending this in and then down towards the sole. And then we'll add a strap across the top of the foot, stepping up, bending this in and then down. Let's add some detail on the side of the leg. From the hip, come in and bend that out. I'm going to follow that curve of the leg coming down towards the bottom and go straight up towards the side. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, then the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, and line that up on the right side. Now on the left side, draw a half circle for the thumb, coming in and out, and close off the end with a bracket. Now let's wrap 3 fingers around the bottom of the hand. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, and come down and bend this up around that bracket. And step down, go out, and bend this up. Now on the side, bend the 3rd finger going out, round out the arm, and then pull that in underneath the head. Let's separate the cuff, starting from the top of the thumb, bend this up and out. Let's step up and draw that same curve. Let's add a little bit of texture inside the cuff with these angled lines, just working our way in. And then we always finish off by signing our artwork and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Cryptic from Fortnite Season 9. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.